Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vibe 247. You vibe and I vibe. Everybody is vibing. Aha, Vibe 247. Yamama kwaba ediba Vibe 247 in somewhere di bremono. If you Ghana web and ne NDC achoki one sussex. Efi Supreme Court. Sisi ayeni unanimous biom. Enkano. Kaubeti unanimous 7, unanimous 5, unanimous 4, unanimous 3. Ene NDC edunkunim. Edien kunim no mwedi. Yonko kan Ghana web. Metro bibi obedu Vibe 247 obebo modiana on yatra no hwe video na kusiwie no abomodia se over subscribe na mia bell icon notification bomodia se obenya notification shene be ayo upload video obenya bi o press bell icon notification na obebo modian se obe press all shene be ayo upload video obenya bi share video no bi anya bi nhwe afi like button no fa chiro do yenko kind me the credit ama Ghana web yenko kind breaking news way. Supreme Court throws out application for reinstatement of CJ Torkoono. Supreme Court throws out application for reinstatement of CJ Torkoono. Let's go into details. The Supreme Court of Ghana has thrown out the application for the reversal of the suspension of Chief Justice Gertrude Torkoono by President John Dramani Mahama. A 5-member panel of the Apex Court of the land, chaired by the acting Chief Justice, Justice Paul Bafuboni, dismissed the petition filed by the Member of Parliament for Old Tafo, Vincent Eko Asefua. Samoa mekan efi Ghana weda edi chiramusisia Chief Justice na President Mahama suspending no lawyer bia yefre no Asefua ono ni din no Vincent Eko Asefua edi injunction akoto so say ma President Mahama onya sa powers no of article 61 whatever I take article no the apam Chief Justice because you see yaman suspension afeni yebema no sack ankasa but omo pese NPP for no gendarme for no pese omodi tabo enkoto so say ne be ya President Mahama entumi nyino na we na ye di call Supreme Court akoye 3-2 we anye unanimous FCBO aye 3-2 na chese ya bo Vincent Asefua ni piti we no de call ye no say yenye no bibi holding on no ya bo egu yenko nyenkan. The justices who voted to dismiss the applications included Justice Paul Bafuboni, Justice Yoni Kulende, and Justice Amadou Omoro Tanko. Omoka say justices are omuvoti ebo Vincent Asefua ni sem etugu ye no Justice Paul Bafuboni acting Chief Justice nankasa afei Justice Yoni Kulende afei Justice Amadou Omoro Tanko nipa 3 eno mayeden omotumi abo nsem no egu avota ya abo egu yenko. The dissenting judges were Justice Ines Jewu and Justice Henrietta Mensah Bonso. The chairman of the panel announced that the full judgment will be released on May 21st, 2025. Vincent Eko Asefua filed a motion at the Supreme Court seeking to halt the suspension of the Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Saki Torkoono by President John Dramani Mahama. The application filed on Thursday, April 24, 2025, requested that the Supreme Court issue an order restraining any further action related to the Chief Justice removal under Article 146 until the court has heard and delivered its final ruling on an already pending matter regarding to the issue. Was say Vincent Sefoya or lawyer Eddie court in seme court was say yemma President Mahama yenkano ento was say nebeya on to me enyima me no kopim mrea justice to be transfer court be transfer bo asem no una we ena yabo etugo enti eye first court victory edema NDC yenko biom Asefua through his lawyers also requested that the court restrain the committee of inquiry established by the president of proceedings with the probe into the petition filed against the justice. In the suit, the lawmaker raised concerns that the petitions against the Chief Justice, her subsequent suspension, and the formation of a committee to investigate the matter are a farce and the product of preconceived orchestration to unconstitutionally remove the Chief Justice from office. According to lawyer no can say, near omo dwen hu ni say President Mahama niamo wo ye ni nyina any constitution it is unconstitutional. And tenache say any constitution no mu ba President Mahama edi patapa article 46 now as peli out is a president who won kwan no me name the kind of article kwa NPP for patapa fui me name whatever article or mo kanya or mo fi say ne President Mahama ye no enye esan say Nana Akufo-Addo Charlotte say if so even though say Charlotte say kra pronouncing his own we win 2016 election a new 1 month and a President Akufo-Addo then President Akufo-Addo now Akufo-Addo mamini fi ho until whatever it is good for the goose is equally good for the gander ni awudi abo techi no obetumi di abo banso and the nature say President Mahama cry to me yi mami we ya na otumi di famra kwan so is the President Mahama any rule of law onye niam te say ya no mu fo by heart fo yi sebi won a omo no mai bi omo si omo ko law school ba omo ye niam it's unconstitutional and to omo say the way they behave no officer President Mahama and so behave sir yenkoso its documents shared by the law platform and cited by Ghana Web, Asefua provided evidence to support his claims, alleging that President Mahama and certain members of his administration has previously launched attacks against the judiciary, particularly the Supreme Court, which the Chief Justice heads, and had consistently expressed intentions to remove Justice Torkoono from office. Or say, Teteno, yenyanto abano yanum fui ne wasui. Na President Mahama premeditate ahun say obeyi mami we fiso. Ente na didadano na President Mahama ni dom ni nkrofo bi ahyeda kan say omoba abeyi mame no. Eno nti eno maba omotumi eyi mame na yade a omo premeditate didada ewo ho. Yonko Yebekai last paragraph on that other appointees of the presidents have in very recent times expressed a view on the petitions purportedly presented against the Chief Justice and indicated that she will surely be removed. Attached here with a marked as Exhibit F is a publication of a recent statement by the Deputy Director of Operation at the Office of the President and Deputy General Secretary of the National Democratic Congress, NDC, Mr. Mustafa Bandi, in which he stated that the Chief Justice will be removed. Or say, okita evidence via akoye Exhibit F. Odi chire court ye court evidence ni nyama bi e be chire se wenti ni ye gina so aye bebo ansem na maye no ni nyina ye friend Exhibit F ni sa nyama ti we ni de na exhibit na sa nyama ni nyina ohun se NDC kro akata bi akrochiro se so mo ba o meyi papa mame no eno mo abanso eno mo yi mame no nipa o kan sa asem no kra eye NDC National Democratic Congress NDC wo Deputy General Secretary, your friend Mr. Mustafa Gbandi. And some na hana media be say I vibe 247. Someone ye ni na. Rodo rather someone NPP for person may. NPP for bibia nko omu a they don't want it. De bia wo mu no mu person mu so mu ye nipa chen obi. Na sabi atiti kwafo se yin nkese edwin bi se no mu. Wo mu na de bia on person mu ye dede. Oti ase when you people na mu President Akufo-Addo Charlotte or say o yi nkrofobi o yi demolovo ni sa ni mani nyina na NPP for mu lawyers na mo yi nsemfu akwa se ya na mo pese de bia meye mo pese NDC ni ho beto no but NDC is going to rule for over 42 years. Mo party no mo na ejijajija no instead some be transfer no mo lose election portal no mo be transfer no mo check mo balance left and right ni odi we by no mo ni na e na mo se mo ye niam bi na ye di nsam ni abeto ene Ghana edi nkunim 3-2 enye unanimous. The law court is going to work perfectly, not biased for NPP anymore. Edem wa say I vibe 247 but mo dey na subscribe ni enko e be san share bio.